No, I don't want.
No, I don't mind. Hey, I ain't seen you.
I need to ask for no seasoning, no fries.
No seasoning?
Sometimes honey sweet fries are good. I'm about to like all. And I didn't drink no more.
Oh, shit.
Always eating fries. And see you, baby.
You Jimmy?
So yeah, I'm making fries. Because I'm about to eat. I'm not going to be in it.
It's lit.
I'll show you.
Oh, my plate? Hold on. I'm showing my plate.
Because they be dragging the seasoning on the fries.
I got hummus with a falafel and some pita bread with some pita chips. You feel me? Some pita chips. We on the Mediterranean time, y'all. What you got?
Oh, I got salmon.
Oh, she got a salmon falafel. My bad. She got a salmon falafel, y'all.
It's so good. I don't understand. It's so good.
People be sleeping on Mediterranean food.
Especially as vegetarians. If you want to try to go vegetarian, Mediterranean food is good.
Yeah. If you're a vegetarian, Mediterranean is good. Indian food is good. What you think is better though?
Probably Mediterranean.
You like the Mediterranean more? Mediterranean grew on me.
Yeah. A lot of times, Indian food be like spicy.
Right.
Or it'll have a taste that's like real unfamiliar. Whereas
Right.
Mediterranean will have stuff that's probably already been introduced here.
Right.
Okay? So it's not terrible. Like feta cheese or something like that. Greek yogurt is here. People like Greek yogurt.
Right. Yeah, Greek yogurt is Mediterranean. I didn't even think about that. It definitely is.
Some of this stuff has already been introduced. Or like where I'm from, we have a Greek fest here.
Right. There's a Greek fest. I think they got one in Atlanta.
They might. I wonder how authentic it is.
Falafel.
It's so good. Falafels are so good.
What's up, Rob? What's up with you?
I'm being greedy. I'm not gonna talk about it.
We eating Mediterranean.
It's like fat food personally, but it tastes real authentic.
Yeah.
Well, they call it street food.
Yeah. Mediterranean street food. She got the salmon falafel. I got the pita falafel. What's good with you, Rob? And you got Greek fries, right?
She got Greek.
She got Greek fries.
Get off the floor.
And it's good, but put too much seasoning on the fries. I should have asked for a plain.
Yeah, right. She said it's good, but her fries got too much seasoning, y'all. But show 'em she gonna eat them for sure. Say Alafiani. Wait, show 'em one fry. Yeah. She said it's too much season though.
They used to black people want a lot of salt. That's what it is. I think all black people want a lot of salt. And he's always making something.
Thank you, Rod.
Thank you.
Now this falafel is hitting just right. This falafel is hitting just right. I ain't gonna hold you. I don't really have a critique for it. It's just hitting. Right, that the chef said you wasn't gonna call they food bland. Right. But she a food critic though, cause she cooked.
And I'm not playing.
If you're a person that cooks, then you tend to be more critical of food. Like, so she more of a food critic.
I was definitely gonna say when I got it, I said, okay, they made it right, but they could have put a little lemon in there.
She's talking about they could have put a little lemon in it.
A little lemon in that bitch. Good though.
No. Even though if I eat fast, I can taste everything in the food.
Right.
Real talk. Alafiani. I can taste everything in this food.
It was a little heavy on the side.
On what? Sure. But what about the salmon?
No, me too. On the seasoning.
Oh, okay.
I could use the same thing. This is cool, but you love you back.
Yeah, love is sweet. Love is sweet with Oshun. Love is sweet with Ifa.
Okay.
They say if your destiny ensured by honey, or destiny ensured by Ifa is sweeter than honey. Asheo.
Okay.
If your destiny is ensured by Ifa, it will be sweeter than honey. Ashe. That's why we pray for Aiku. You always pray for Aiku. Ashe Ifa. Destiny is a long road, so you want it to be sweeter. Ifa is the way we make sure our destiny stays sweet. Thank you, Tyra. Tyra says we have a beautiful union.
Thank you.
Eli said we good with that, brother. We good on that.
Whoever else thinks that they can ask the same damn question.
You see my water? What's up, Danielle?
Do they be making the hummus themselves?
I don't know, right? So, I just got water.
I'm drinking water.
I'm drinking water.
Up the bar.
You know what I mean? I'm drinking water. She got some juicy juice. I don't know what she got.
It's not juicy. He hate it until he's scared to drink it.
I don't know what
And
that
it's
is.
delicious.
She got some juicy
It's
juice
dragon,
stuff.
It's orange dragon fruit, passion fruit. So one more of the fruit.
She got what? Wait,
But
what?
it's orange dragon fruit, passion
Dragon food. Does this woman even eat dragon food?
If it's been something, because that shit bitter without it. Go ahead, what she said.
I got teachers from around the world, brother. And I teach. And Ifa, you will always have a teacher. You will always be learning. You never will stop learning in Ifa. Even if you are 70 years old and you teaching everybody, you will still be learning. My first teacher was my grandmother in spirituality. That was my first teacher. She practiced spiritismo. And Ifa was in my lineage. Ifa tayo. Aboya boshise. Yes. You learn Ifa until you die. It never stops, y'all. See, this falafel.
I think about gone.
This falafel about gone, y'all. I said we teach each other along the way.
Speaking of teaching, there's some men out here. I feel a way about me saying things or teaching. Y'all need to stop being afraid to hear the message
Ashe.
from other outside sources. Relax. There's a reason why.
If you're a man, you should not be afraid to take advice from a woman. If you're a man, you can learn a lot from a woman. You should never be afraid to learn from a woman. The woman was your first teacher.
First.
For any man, a woman was your first teacher.
From inside the womb. before you even made it out, she was a teacher. The only voice she heard.
Yes. I do my Ifa classes on the weekend, Saturday or Sunday. Sometimes I do it on different days. It just depends on my schedule. If I tell you, I don't speak my Odu Ifa. Because in the West, you learn to keep things to yourself. The same person you tell your Odu will then run and feed you your taboo. No, you ain't. We ain't allowed to do that. The same person who you tell your Odu Ifa will be the same one to try to bring you to your taboo and overtake what you got going on. So, if you speak your Odu, that's on you. Me, I'll keep it to myself. I have too many enemies. The pita bread, right?
That's amazing.
Imagine somebody knows that you have a taboo against anger. So when you exhibit anger, it's taboo. That person can just do things to trigger your taboo and pull you out your position. Now you're in violation with Ifa. Why? Because you want to speak your Odu to everybody, like everybody's your friend. Everybody is not your friend. Everybody does not want good for you. Be smart. Be wise.
Smart. Be wise.
Ifa tells me to keep certain information to my own self. Ashe. Imagine I know somebody I take care of my Ifa by myself. I got all my shrines by myself. I'm a Babalawo, I'm a Olorisa, I'm a Awo. Everything I do, I got. Any shrine in my house, I feed it myself. Imagine that I know somebody's taboo is chicken. I can just send a woman to him and tell that woman, put the chicken inside of his food, put egg in it. He will never know. Now the man is eating his taboo. Why? Because he was foolish. That's how we do it. Yeah, we can be friends, Fatayo. It's good. Nigeria has certain material that we need in America sometimes too. Certain airway that we can't get here. You know, a lot of airway that doesn't grow in America. You have to go to Nigeria to get it. Them pita bars is good too.
Oh, they were like little falafel balls or something.
Didn't you get them before?
No, I
No,
think
you
I
got the
would
grape. You got the grape joint.
What? Oh, the grape leaves. Yeah,
There's a
so
grape
good.
leaf.
Grape leaves is busting. I just seen a recipe on grape leaves.
Yeah, I had WhatsApp. Yeah, grape leaf
You
is
not
good.
be in my inbox doing wild shit. On the website, you just going on
That he eating grape? He not eating that.
No, that's from
What is your number? I could.
started it.
No, I could say my number. If I tell you, add me on Facebook. Because this is my wife's Facebook.
Not even. Don't email me.
No, add me. Add me. She will not respond to
I
DM.
will not respond to DMs, and I'm so serious. Y'all driving me crazy.
She will not do it. Yes, I know about Babalawo.
I mean, what's that shit called?
Yeah, if I coyote, we chilling.
So the bottom is stomach.
Who, me?
Me.
You still hungry?
No key. I think I'm still.
The woman is still hungry.
There's something that's missing.
The woman is still hungry, y'all.
I feel like I'm full, but I'm not full. Really.
She says she feel like she's full, but she's not full.
Like I could really eat something.
I don't know what that means.
And I don't know what else I could eat right now.
No hummus with me.
I like hummus. Is it real?
Huh?
Yeah, that's not bad.
It's good. It's good, right? Yeah, if I tell you, my Facebook is Esuwale Adigun Adigun. Oh, you like it? You like it? You like it?
Interesting.
You like Krabby Patty, Squidward.
How come we like Krabby Patty?
You like Krabby Patty, Squidward. She only like it because it's on my plate.
Because I'm not going to get some hummus myself. That's wrong. I'm not going to have hummus. It was.
It was good, Alexandria. It was. She had a salmon falafel and Greek fries. She had a salmon falafel and Greek fries. I had a pita falafel and hummus with pita bread and pita chips.
Why is it good though?
It's good now.
It's like.
It's good. Peace, family. Yeah.
It has a certain taste to it. It's like, interesting.
It's pita bread. You know what I mean?
But the
The hummus. Okay.
Why is it giving that door open?
Oh no. They ain't never grew up with roaches.
Whoa.
They never did it. They never grew up with them. Alright, if I tell you, I'll follow you back when I get on my Facebook.
No, because when I see doors open, I don't think of roaches don't give a fuck. They don't need a door to go through. Roaches do not give a damn. They don't need no door to go through to get around. So I think it's gonna be something gonna get in or out. I don't like open doors.
What's up, Mimi?
Hi, Mimi. I don't like open doors.
No more open doors.
Or open drawers or open cabinets.
This woman had OCD about open doors.
Open doors, open cabinets, things open at the bottom. It freaks me out. Because it's wilding to have stuff open. And I don't want nothing to go in and out unless I allow it to go in and out. And then it looked open as shit. It just looks super chaotic. Like you ever walk in the kitchen and there's a bunch of cabinets open? It's chaotic in there. Something's been going on. Something's been doing this.
All right.
It's really weird. I'm telling you, I don't like it. And then doors, no, something that's like sleeping without your feet covered.
What?
Yeah, like something's gonna touch my toes, and I don't like that either. So he always trying to submit to myself, leave the bathroom door open. I'm like, that's wildin', because I'm not sleeping with the door open.
She don't like the bathroom door open when we sleep, y'all.
Because that's wildin'. It's weird, and I don't give a damn if it's a cold draft that's being let in. I don't want it in there while I'm sleeping.
I don't have nothing to do with that.
That's wild. I don't want that happening. That's not a thing, though? People don't...
No, ask them.
Is that a real thing? Right, my whole body could be let go, but my feet is getting covered. No, for real. How do y'all feel about open doors?
Y'all sleep with the door open in y'all room when y'all sleep?
Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. That sound chaotic as hell. That sound like anything could get in.
I wish they would.
No.
I'm waiting for them.
That sound like anything can happen.
I'm waiting. Honestly, the only reason I close the doors so the cats don't get in.
Yeah, because we'll definitely wake up with a cat on our face.
Yeah, I don't want to wake up with a cat over my head.
I don't. Because they'll do that. Like Cheshire cat, like the Cheshire cat. That's how, they'll sit up there in the kitchen. I don't like the chips ones. I want the bread. Why you ain't trying to give me a piece of bread?
You ain't even taste these chips. You ain't taste them.
Switch it out.
No.
I don't want the little chips. I want the big one. Babe, you gonna give me a tiny
You trying to get me to feed myself.
No, I want that one. And you be a stingy with the pita bread.
Just eat it.
I don't want to. See, I got bad teeth. I don't want crunch nothing. Hey. You just don't want me to eat it because you only got 3 left.
Me talking about I'll be sleeping in the living room so I can see everything.
See, that's not cozy enough to me. It's got to be secluded because then it limits the possibilities of something being out of place or moved or interrupted in the middle of my sleep. I need something cozy and secure, like a room.
You need a nest.
Please stop calling my phone.
Yes, I've been to Nigeria. Ifatayo, I'm a big owl. I've been to Nigeria now. You're talking to me regular, bro. Go through my page. You will see me in Nigeria as soon as you click on. Boom, right at the top. In Nigeria. Mimi talking about she's sleeping in the living room.
Crazy chaotic.
I slept in the living room before.
Oh, when you was a bachelor?
Yeah, when I was a bachelor.
Oh my God.
When I was a bachelor, I didn't care. So like, I had a room, but sometimes I didn't want to sleep in the room. I just sleep in the living room with my cats around me. Now I don't want cats around me when I sleep. You full? Now she's full.
No, I really just want something. I just don't know what yet. I haven't thought about it.
Me too. I'll be watching them too. What's good, Verna?
That is true. See, that's the only time I'll sleep with the door open. Is if I'm asleep. I gotta keep the door open so I can listen out for them, but I still want to be in the room. But that's a fact. So they always in the kitchen. Facts. Get out, boss. Kitchen. Get out. Who that person right there? Need nothing else.
Right.
Hi, Verna. Hi, Shante. Hey, girl.
Verna,
Happy
that's my
belated.
homie. Verna, that's my homie from Jake. Verna know me from Violin.
I want to go to Violin. They gonna take me on a trip around the hood on a game.
Verna, she said she want to come to Violin.
I heard it's cold though. We just can't go when it's cold. I don't want to go when it's cold. If y'all live by the like on farms and stuff.
Who live on no farm?
I said no. If you live by the farms, then they know what it be cold as hell. The snow don't stay away from there.
Who live by a farm though?
You live by a farm.
I don't live by no damn farm.
He told me he was raised on a farm.
I was not raised on a farm, y'all.
He told me that he not from North Jersey. He's from where the farm's at.
It's farms in South Jersey, but not next to my house.
That means he was on a farm.
Only one time in my life I lived next to a farm.
He was on a farm. He said,
Only one time I lived near a farm.
I'm not from New York. I'm not from North Jersey. I'm from Violent.
Verna, what state you in? It is cold out there.
It's cold as shit. I'm not doing that.
It ain't colder than Rochester though.
Yeah, it's not colder than Rochester. Rochester is dumb.
She from Rochester.
That's where Shante from. Shante just look out here. Shante know it's cold as shit. Tell Shante we don't give a damn. No, we gonna still be outside. Everybody still gonna be outside.
Oh, Verna, you in South Carolina. That's what's up. Verna in South Carolina.
Everybody's still gonna be outside.
That's what's
Cold
up,
as
Verna.
shit. So what part of South Carolina? Because there's way more parts of South Carolina than just...
Verna was around before I was Priestley.
Oh my God.
That's my dog. Verna, she don't know I used to trap in the snow.
Oh my God. Like Rochester.
You don't know. I'm a priest now, so you know. Anderson, you know that?
I heard of Anderson. It's not far from us. I don't think it's not far from us. I missed it. That's what you talking about. It's lit every time.
Verna said facts. She know.
You already know.
I used to trap in the snow.
You used to be in the snow.
Mm-hmm.
That's that up north shit. It's like, okay, what we gonna do? Not be outside because it's cold. Nobody care about the snow. That's like the snow. They don't care. I don't know. And it's cold. We still lit tonight. Yeah, because if you drink, then you'll be warm. You ain't gotta worry about it. As long as I drink and stay warm, don't put me on no dark. It's up. Then I'm like, what? And I was a monster in the snow because I'm cold. I think you can feel it more when you drink it. You can't feel it more if you niggas in Rochester. You drink Hennessy in Rochester.
Y'all drink Hennessy in Rochester?
It's Hennessy.
What y'all drink in Rochester?
Why you gotta say Rochester like that? Nobody say it right here.
Just
say Rochester.
Rochester?
Yeah, it's always gotta be a Rochester. Like, you cut it out.
Ain't nobody care about Rochester. What? I can't talk about Rochester. I can't talk about Rochester. Fuck Rochester. I love you. I need family.
That is home.
I can't talk about Rochester.
So I can't say Vineland got farms?
Vineland do got farms.
I can't say you from a farm?
I'm not from a farm. I ain't from no farm. I'm from South
I
Vineland.
just left rap from a farm though.
I'm from South Vineland, you heard?
That's where the farm is at.
Hell no, the farms is in North Vineland, East
North
Vineland.
Vineland?
Yeah.
North Vineland is crazy.
I lived near rural areas.
I can't even say that word together.
It's hard, right?
Right. I want that paper.
I lived by a farm one time. There was a pig. Look, I lived near this farm. It was a pig. His name was like Wilbur or something.
His name was not Wilbur.
His name was Wilbur. He was big. Wilbur couldn't really move though. And they had chickens, but it wasn't really a farm. It was just mad woods, and they had a barn. You know what I mean? Yeah. Then y'all have. Yo, this lady is crazy. This lady is crazy, y'all. This lady is a wild person, man.
Because ain't no way you ain't see that. You ain't noticed that. That shit odd as hell. That shit odd. It's so odd. I just thought of I have dreams. I have big dreams. What's your dream, though? Yo, wow. Make it worse. The longer you look.
Yo.
It's so
Yo,
bad.
I'm not laughing with her. I'm not trying to go to hell. I'm not trying to go to hell, family.
Yo, white niggas is like, that's not how you get into a room. Babe. You trying to tell me that's not how I get into a room?
No.
How do I get there?
I don't know, but that's how you get to the upper room. But not a room.
How do we get to a room?
Alright, how about...
I'm for it. I don't want to do it now.
Yeah, y'all. Now we full.
Now I just want to go to sleep.
She got the itis.
I got the itis. I ate my lipstick off.
She got the itis. She ate her lipstick off.
She probably had a good lipstick, but I'm pretty sure it's not good for you. I gotta get out of here. I cannot be in here too long. Everybody look wilder.
Yeah. It's been fun, but we gotta run.
Man.
Oh, this popsicle stand.
You gonna pull this popsicle stand? What else we gotta do? We gotta go to the shop here, right? Damn, I didn't get the list off the refrigerator. What is stuff in here? It's alright, I'll remember it while we shop. I'll remember all the things we need at that time. Yeah, we didn't even come for this.
She's just gonna get a bunch of shit that we don't need. Or that she just remembered.
We always need something. There's always there's a use for everything.
Right.
Everything has its place at home.
Yeah, sure.
It does. I could take a clean nap right here. Get a 5-minute power nap. How you do it? I can't take no fucking power nap. I don't know how
I'll be
you do
taking
it.
power naps.
You can take a power nap in 5 minutes.
I can take a nap in 5 minutes. Wake up charged.
What? You better hope I can get it. First of all, it take me 5 minutes to go to sleep. How you gonna take 5 minutes to take a nap?
I'm a savage.
I wonder if they give me a refill. They probably won't. I like these cups though. They made a good at-home cup.
Yeah. Or double to the family.
To the